Hello, welcome to question number 3 of the revised GRE general test. In this question, you're given two quantities, x plus y plus z, all divided by 3, and then quantity b is y. So you want to determine the weight of either of these quantities based on the information we are given here, that is x less than y less than z. So the fastest way to handle problems like this is to plug in numbers, that is, choose arbitrary numbers of two different categories. So for my first category, I'm going to assume my x, so let me take my x to be 1, my x is 1, and let me assume my y is 2 and my z is 3. That is, I need to choose three numbers that satisfies this condition here. So that is, if I'm choosing x equals 1, you can see 1 is less than, now my y is 2, which is less than 3. So the conditions are satisfied. So the three numbers I chose, they are good to go. So for quantity A, and let me choose here for quantity B. Now quantity A says the average of the three numbers, that is, A is going to be 1 plus 2 plus 3, all divided by 3. Now 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6, divided by 3, you obtain 2. And then quantity B is just y. Now our y is 2. So that is 2 equals 2. So that is quantity A equals quantity B based on the numbers that I've chosen. So for this one, you would assume the solution will be C, since they are equal. But then, like I said, we are going to choose two different categories of numbers to see if this condition works for all of them. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to leave x and y the way it is, but I'm going to make my z to be larger, to be a bigger number, to see if this condition here still holds. So I'm still going to choose my x to be equal to 1, my y to be equal to 2, and my z to be equal to 6. And then let's check to see if the numbers I chose actually satisfy the condition that is here. So let's see, looking at this, my x is 1, so is 1, is it less than y? Yes. 1 is less than 2, and is y less than z? Yes. 2 is less than 6. So the condition is satisfied. So let me go ahead and find quantity A and quantity B, and then see if this condition here, that is the equality condition, if it still holds. So again, quantity A, you have your quantity B. So quantity A is the average of the three numbers. So you have 1 plus 2 plus 6, all divided by 3, and that would give you 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 6 is 9. Now 9 divided by 3 gives you 3. But then quantity B is just y. You can see it's just y. So our y is 2. So you'd observe there is a contradiction in the second category of numbers that I've chosen. Now for my second part here, A is greater than B. That is, for this part you have a different thing, that is, A is going to be greater. So that implies that the information I'm given is insufficient to uniquely determine the weight of each of these quantities. And then since the information is insufficient, I'm going to go for D. That is, the answer is D. And that completes the problem. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to watch the next video, which is question 4 of the GRE test. Thanks.